Welcome to today's COVID-19 update. We're speaking with the Honorable Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony. The Health Minister has revealed a latest trend of increased COVID-19 cases among pregnant women. On Monday, there were 7 cases, and in just 24 hours, that figure jumped to 13.
Active cases right now, we have 2,430 active cases in all the regions of Guyana. And we currently have 129 persons right now in our hospitals. This would include 13 persons or 13 pregnant women who's at GPHC maternity unit. So persons with complicated pregnancy normally would come into the Georgetown Public Hospital. They come from different parts of the country. So these 13 women, they've all tested positive. That's a requirement now. When you come in, they test you to see whether or not your COVID status to determine that. And so 13 of these women have tested positive. And we have to make special arrangements for their delivery.
Minister Anthony is also concerned about the quicker transmission of the Delta variant.
As we had predicted, because of a Delta surge, we are going to see more cases. We are going to be able to diagnose more cases because more people are going to be infected. The Delta variant is one that is more transmissible, and some of the scientists have said if there's one infected person, that person can infect as much as 9 other persons. So in terms of transmissibility, we're going to see more people getting infected. And over the last 24 hours, we have had 161 new cases. We did 1,728 tests, and of those, from the people who we tested, 161 was positive. Active cases right now, we have 2,430 active cases in all the regions of Guyana. As for hospitalization, the health minister said 129 persons are hospitalized as of Monday evening. Between GPHC and Ocean View, we have 105 persons who are in hospital. Of those that are in hospital there, we have 37 in the ICU. So it is challenging with so many very sick people coming into the hospital. And of course, the persons who need extra attention, we have to put them in the ICU. Over the last 24 hours, we have had 7 deaths. And unfortunately, none of those persons who have died would have been vaccinated. So again, we just want to appeal to everyone. Please go get yourself vaccinated. You require both doses to be fully immunized, but you can start today. If you haven't gotten a vaccine, just start today. Go and get your first dose vaccine because vaccines do work, they're effective, and they protect people. So for the adult population, right now, first dose, we're at 322,586 persons. That's 62.9% of our population, adult population. For second dose, we're at 169,209. That's about 33% of our adult population. So right now, 33% of our adult population can be deemed as being fully vaccinated. In terms of the children, as I said before, we have had 12,563 children. That's about 17.2% within that age group of 12 to 17. Today's Myth Buster. All COVID-19 masks are the same. Well, fabric face masks, after a while, they'll get dirty, and it's considered to be reusable. It is not the best type of mask, but it still offers some level of protection. Because the pores within the fabric, the virus, if you're in a high-risk environment, the virus can penetrate the pores of the fabric. So it is not the safest of masks to use. A preference would be to use one of the surgical or procedural masks. Those are usually three-ply, or they have three layers, or an N95 mask that where you have five layers. So if you are going to be in a high-risk environment, it's preferable that you use those types of masks.
Well, that's it for today's COVID-19 update. We've just spoken with the Honourable Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony. Remember, for more information, you can log on to our website, dpi.gov.gy, and the Ministry of Health's website as well, health.gov.gy, and of course, our social media platforms.